Hey iPhone users, do you have a device that you've stopped using because it has a cracked screen or won't hold a charge? Fix My Gadget is your top choice for fast and affordable repairs. Stick around to find out why. There's no need to schedule an appointment. Never worry about waiting in a long line or scheduling weeks in advance. Simply call or visit us in office for a time estimate. We repair all models. There are hundreds of phone models out there. How will you know what parts you need? Let us take care of that for you. We have the experience to handle the job. Experience counts when it comes to providing you with quick and reliable service. We've replaced hundreds of iPhone screens and batteries over the years. We are Level 3 certified technicians. Our on-site technicians are equipped to handle any issue you may have with your phone, including cracked screens, damaged batteries, water damage, and much more. We offer free UV sanitizing, and with every service, we provide you with a free UV sanitation of your gadget. This will sterilize and kill bacteria on your phone without damaging it. We have convenient locations, and we want to make it as easy as possible for you to get your iPhone repaired. Visit us at one of our convenient locations in Peoria, Peoria Heights, Pekin, or Bloomington, which is coming soon. Never hassle with a broken gadget again. Give Fix My Gadget a call today or visit us in one of our locations for quick and reliable device repairs. You break it, we fix it.